cards for McDonald's. You'll see these are for McDonald's. Number 8. Just 8. Okay, now anyways. Oh my god, Pokemon cards went all over the place. So what should we? So anyways, we got the Pokemon cards. So here's the Pokemon. Who's that Pokemon? It's tongue sticking out, just like it has right here. What is he using his tail for? What is he doing with his tail? That's so weird. Why would he mess with his tail? Okay, anyways, bye-bye. Ooh. So anyways, let's have Pikachu Energize. Attach plus a plus energy card from your discard pile to this Pokemon. Electric Ball. Okay. Okay. Oh, that was the first one. Now, Tyamo. Okay, he has 40 HP, and Pikachu had 60. So. Oof. Anyways, let's just continue. Okay, so Levitate. If this Pokemon has any energy attached, it has no retreat cost. So there's tiny charge. Okay. That's time for Draper. Here comes the new challenger. Now here's Draper with 120. That's like dead. Notice cross cruise punch that equals 40 damage. In Berserk. If your benched Pokemon has any damage counters on this attack does 90 more damage. So that costs. So that means 40 plus 70 would probably equal 120. Hang on. No, it does not. It's but if it was 90, it would be. I don't know. This is confusing. Anyways, I have Beware. Here comes a new challenger. That means it's like it can fight all of these. Oh, I guess they're dead. So technically, Beware has split spiral punch that equals 40 damage. And his strength is 130. A lot of strength. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And anyways, can you just comment below what this thing is and what this Pokeball is for? Like, I want to know what these are for. I have no idea what they're for. Anyways, bye. And subscribe if you like McDonald's french fries. Goodbye.